Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
We're watching a system out towards our west. It's going to signal some big changes ahead on Sunday. We're also going to see some impacts tonight, and those impacts are going to be what spells that change for Sunday. Let's track everything out for you and let you know what to expect as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Notice that area low pressure there towards the west. That's over Missouri and the associated trailing cold front. That cold front is going to be what brings us some showers and storms later on today. Future radar, future winds this afternoon, and the temperatures. Watch what happens. 10 a.m. winds out of the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour, becoming gustier into the afternoon. Those gusty winds help bump up our temperatures as well, and also help set the stage for a heavy rainfall event into the evening hours. Here's 7:30. Watch that line of showers and storms approaching from Kentucky. Notice the winds converging ahead of it along the line of storms. Some heavy rainfall possible. Go towards the 8 and 9 o'clock time frame. That shower and storm activity starting to push into our area. And we could even see a few gusty winds with the main line as well. Ahead of that, though, I think we'll see those gusty winds this afternoon, even in the areas that don't see any rainfall until later on. Here we go into the overnight hours. Watch what happens. That line of storms moves out, and then we see some cooler air starting to wrap in. So some areas start to change over to a bit of snow, maybe a wintry mix of some of the lower elevations and all snow above about 2,500 to 3,000 feet, keeping some of those snow showers going into Sunday morning. Overall, I expect this to be a minor impact event, and I don't expect any real travel issues, but areas towards Sam's Gap, Flag Pond, Unicoi County, Rome Mountain, Carver's Gap, maybe into the lower portions of Rome Mountain as well, and then into the Mountain City and Shady Valley communities. White Top especially could see some light snowfall accumulations with this. I think along the Clinch Mountain Range could also see some light snowfall. Honeacre could see a little bit of light snow, and also towards High Knob, Black Mountain. Wouldn't shock me if areas near the Lonesome Pine Airport pick up a little bit of snow in this. Not expected to be a big deal, but maybe up to an inch in some of those higher elevations. As we go into the afternoon, the winds will kick up, as I mentioned. Notice these areas of purple. Those are winds above 40 miles per hour. Some strong wind gusts this afternoon. So if you have any Christmas decorations you put outside already, maybe you want to tie those down. Make sure Frosty's tied down extra well. Otherwise, he may be blowing down the street a little bit later this evening as that system moves on in. Here we go into the afternoon and evening. Check out the forecast for the Johnson City Mall Christmas tree lighting. Temperatures in the middle 60s. Santa train, as we've been mentioning, rolls into Kingsport today. Temperatures there in the upper 60s as the train comes into town. Town by town this afternoon, we expect temperatures to be around 68 in Kingsport, down into the lower 60s for Mountain City, and 60 towards Rome Mountain, South Virginia, checking in generally around 62 to 67 degrees for highs on Saturday. Tonight, temperatures drop down into the 40s. Periods of rain, a little bit of mountain snow showers possible late. We're also watching our next weather maker. That's this possible development of an area low pressure off the southeast coastline. Depends on how much moisture is with it, and depends on where that low pressure tracks in terms of what we see Wednesday and Thursday. Notice the rainfall kind of down towards our south right now. So our forecast for Thanksgiving will not reflect any rainfall, but we'll keep an eye on it. If the system moves a little closer to us, it is possible we see some rain showers move into our area. Here's your forecast for Wednesday, Thanksgiving, and Black Friday. A cold one on Thanksgiving and Black Friday. People going out shopping early on Friday are going to need those heavy coats, as temperatures are going to be into the 20s as you wake up on your Friday morning. 28 degrees Thursday night, Friday morning. I think it's a good thing I'm working Friday. I don't have to go out and do that.
Me too. I'll see you then.